Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore how setting personal boundaries can help during conflicts. Disagreements are bound to happen, but when we are clear about our boundaries, it's easier for everyone to remain focused and not let emotions take over. Start by finding a quiet place to sit. Let your posture be relaxed yet wakeful. As you sit up tall, soften your shoulders. Relax your arms and find a comfortable place to rest your hands. With your eyes softly closed, soften your temples and your brow. Release any gripping in your jaw. And let this sense of ease spread through your whole face. Now, turn your awareness to your breath. Lengthen through your inhales and exhales. As your breath deepens and slows, let this be a way to arrive right here, right now, fully. Expansive inhales, soft exhales. Now, let your breathing settle back to a natural rhythm. And stay with your effortless breath from the moment your inhales begin to the moment your exhales end. To keep our mind quiet and calm, let's count the breath today. We'll add a slight retention between each part of the breath. We'll inhale for a count of 4, hold our breath for a count of 2, then exhale for 4, and hold our breath out for 2 counts. This practice can create a deep sense of focus and attention. However, please do not use force. If you feel tension around your breath at any point, please come back to your natural breath whenever you need to, and begin the count again when you feel ready. Let's try it together. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, in for 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, out for 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, in for 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, out for 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2. Now, return to your regular breaths. And without judgment, take the next few moments to notice how you feel. And only if it feels right, let's return to our breathing exercise once more. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. In for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Out for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Out for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Again, let your breath find its natural shape and rhythm. Relax into each effortless inhalation and exhalation and observe how you feel. And now, soften your awareness. Most of us have learned, consciously or not, to either bulldoze our way through disagreement or to avoid conflict at all costs. But conflicts are not only inevitable, they're essential. By highlighting our differences, they also allow us to set clear, effective boundaries. And when they stem from mindfulness and self-awareness, these boundaries ensure that our own needs, as well as other people's, are met. This creates more honest and direct communication that facilitates conflict resolution with clarity and transparency. When our boundaries are clear, we're letting the people around us know what is and isn't okay, and it encourages them to do the same. Rather than being criticized, manipulated, or lied to, boundaries create an environment of mutual respect that fosters thoughtful discussion as we move through conflict. By refusing to lend money to a friend until they've paid us back what they've already borrowed, we're letting them know they've overstepped. When we respond to a colleague's anger by telling them to lower their voice, or we'll end the meeting, we're letting them know they've gone too far. This isn't about becoming rigid or imposing our will. It's about ensuring self-respect while respecting others. Setting boundaries can feel challenging, especially if this is a new practice for you. But keep at it. The more you do it, the more skillful you'll become. Now, become aware of the space around you once more. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you back here soon.